In this video, I will show you how to write this pi symbol in Microsoft Excel. So there is very simple and easy way to write this symbol. Insert then equation, and here you have to find out this pi symbol in this third line. And another way, just type this slash and type pi, pi, and press space, slash and pi. Make sure I am pressing the space bar, not enter. So slash and pi, then press space bar one time. And using this slash, you can write any symbol like delta, gamma, mu, and beta, theta. So this is the quick and easy way to write any type of symbol in Excel. And also guys, this method will work in Microsoft Word. No matter which version are you using of Microsoft Office, almost in all version it will work. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video work for you.